Hello, friends and traders. Welcome back to this quick episode of Circular Targets. So, what we have here is our pricing module called Astropolarity from level 1, and we have range axis aligned circles, which you see here as well. So what are we looking at here is the reflections of the last swing. Alright, so what does that mean? When market is going here, it is stopping at our levels. We are going to say, okay, if it is bouncing from here, where is it going? It went up here and bounced from here, this last swing, right? This is the last swing phenomena, last swing. If this is the exhaustion swing, the last swing, where are we reflecting on the other side? So let's take care of it. So let's go from here to here. All you have to do is align this axis. Remember, this is called axis aligned circle. Otherwise, it is very hard to see. You can fit so many possibilities when you're curve fitting the data. So we have opened up this axis so you can see literally which alignment is going on. Because at times we'd like to curve fit these two endpoints and see where it is reflecting. So to just keep life simple at this point, we have taken this last swing exhaustion point and we are saying, where are you reflecting? The circles, where are you going? And it is telling us we are hitting on this area. And what is sitting here, not only is the circle, we have this energy grid of pricing which changes every day. What is happening here after this? Simple. Trade management. Let's go to this upswing and it is reflecting from there. Okay, so where is it gonna go? Well, let's check it out. Your guess is as good as mine. Okay, so we got this last axis. Where is it going? As the things spiral out. Now this is not a spiral structures, this is circular mathematics, but we are gonna go to spirals and ellipsoids, so you'll see different targets coming up. But here, for now, the last exhaustion swing telling us we're gonna go in this zone. Going in this zone is of interest to us. So we are trusting the reflections of last swings where we are going. Now this is just one application of this. There are so many applications of it. Now if you can look closely, market is bouncing from these levels, reflecting from these levels on the other side. Remember, for now, when you start new, these circles are ending. This is the last stretch circular band which you need to focus on to get started on the best trades for the day. Once you are here, stop loss has to be placed somewhere, right? Now we can always beam those lines. There's a reason we are using this, right? You can beam those lines. You can beam those lines as we have shown you. Across the board like this, across the board like this, across the board like this. You can do it from the bottom too, as we showed in the previous video. We can do it like this. Now this is also not bad. Why? Because this is beaming from blue to blue, but it's also confirmed a pivot on the way, as we have discussed earlier, giving us this concentric circles along with this price magnet coming together. So if it gets into the zone from all sides, this, you got to take the trade. You got to take this trade. I moved it here. Now if you are used to technical analysis, this is a move, flag pattern, move, again called it a balance point right here. Market came here, it is balancing, refueling it, and going on the other side. We can also do measured moves like here, so we know where the targets are, right there, right? The first leg, second leg. This can also be called A, B, C, D. There's so many applications. You can use A, B, C, D to time the market. It goes on till infinity, right? Are you one with the universe? And this is where we are again from this balance point. Market is going here, flag pattern. What is the next move? We see this all pointing to this location, and we have other things I already discussed. So there it is, my friends. All right, last one. Again, exhaustion reflections, initiative moves. It's a third application. So you can use it at exhaustion points, balance point, and initiative points. And what are we expecting? Well, not only the zone. Remember, you can see this is a very large structures. It is unfolding the next day. The waves of this is happening next day. So this happened next day. This happened next day. So you have to think multi-time frame, multi-dimensions, across dimensions. Here we can do across days. All right, my friends, you got it. You got it. Okay, so when we have this zone, the zone is there. I'm going to take shots here. So this is effective approach. Now what we have here, we have few things here. This is how you qualify these price lines, where to trade. So many of them right here. Qualification through circular mathematics, simpler. Now these two lines are the reflection circles behind the scenes. Okay, that's why they work. And this is also the science of C54 reflection points, which you have seen. If not, have a look. C54. So what is happening here is we're qualifying and building some high level confidence, right? Okay, so how about the beams? Bring the beams. Sure, bring the beams, right? You can see it. Let me just bring it a little bit down. I think I'm moving the chart. Let me just so the tool is range axis aligned circles. Okay, range axis aligned circles. So for folks who have gone through level 1 or level 2 training, they can acquire 2 of these tools as an appreciation. This requires that level 1 minimum participation, because the formulas we have here are aligned with those C54. All right. So you got it. So you're gonna beam this, and you got this, right? So now just keep it simple. Always have a bigger picture, reflection points, and this is how you can qualify using other method. Another method we talked about so far is Fibonacci one. As we go on, we'll show you more. So there we are. So you are used to using Fibonacci, you're used to using circle, you're used to using pi. This is all coming together, just few things converging into a very high probability qualification. Thank you so much.